Hi, how are you? It's Ching. So we have a new program for you today. We're going to focus the most effective push-up. So you don't just go to push-up right away. You want to know how first. So there's a foundation. The first thing, the most important thing is really find that first responder, which is your transverse abdominal. So again, we say there's two arrows, right? Upper and lower, that they made up from your four abdominal muscle. In the back, you have two V's. So I'm going to put an end screen on. Let's call it the proper posture. So when you do push-up, you bring that standing proper posture into the prone position, which is facing down. So we're going to start right off to find your first responder first. Then we're going to introduce you into the 3 stages to build that awareness of a beautiful, right, form, which is your posture when you do push-ups. What's not involved, what should be involved. Then after the 3 stages, build your stronger understanding, better understanding, right? Then we're gonna do push-up, really do push-up as slow as you can. And of course, the real push-up, usually there's many ways, but we're not gonna do those fancy one like a fingers on, right? So we're just gonna get to it for wellness and no amazing tricks, right? So those we can leave it for somebody, and if they want to. But right now we're just going to the foundation and the purpose why you're doing push up. So the basic push-ups, right? The idea of push-up 2 ways. Your arm AB dog, that means my elbows to the side of my body. So we get the deltoid and the pec major. And the second one, I'm going to demonstrate also is another push-up. I'm going to hug myself so my arm AD dog to do. So the sequence for today, we're lying down on the floor. Okay, when you want to, you can watch the whole thing first, then watch again as use my voice to guide you, follow through. So the very first thing is to find the first responder lying on the floor flat. Then I'm gonna introduce you to the 3 stages. Gets more awareness. Then we're gonna do the 2 types of a push-up. Okay, here we go. Then go right to the floor. Okay, I'm stack my hands together. I put my forehead right on. My legs, this is my right leg, that's my left. The legs is same with the hip socket. Okay, so straight in parallel position. Okay, so ready? Shoulders down and soften the chest a little bit. Here we go. On the inhale, I'm going to straight both my leg, my knees off the floor a little bit, yours too, and top your foot down. So you create a nice long line. And pubic bones on the floor. On the exhale, you purse sleep. Gently blow out your navel toward the spine. Inhale, you hold here. Exhale, release everything. Just go, let go. 2 more times. Inhale, straight both legs. Exhale, purse sleep, blow out, hollow your tongue, make sure your shoulders down. Inhale, you hold this beautiful, right, position. Exhale, release. Last time. Inhale, straight both legs, shoulders down. On the exhale, hollow your tummy, pull the navel toward your spine. So you're going to start feeling this nice feeling of opening that lumbar area. Inhale, exhale, release down. Okay, so now you have established the most important part, which is your first responder, the nickname, right? The true name is transverse abdominal, and you're gonna use that to stabilize your pelvis. If you do that, you won't get hurt. You don't want to do so many push-ups, right? People say, I can do 25, I can do 50. It's okay. If you do 50 wrong ones, what happened? You create injury, so the result is not there, the benefit's not there. So the most important, really understand how to do a push-up properly. So we're gonna go to the first stage, okay? Finding that 5 checkpoint of your body as you're standing, but it's in a prone position now. So you connect it first, okay? So you're gonna put your elbow down, this first stage. My elbows down, you bending 90 degrees, extend the right and the left leg straight. Shoulder down. Don't drop your head as much as you can. Bring your head neutral. You ready? I inhale through the lungs. I shift my weight forward a little bit. Exhale, push back. Reach the heel back. I push my elbow a bit. Reach heel back. You can feel inner side power for first responder. Inhale, shift weight tiny. Exhale. So the first thing, you're going to connect the body from the heel all the way to the top of your head. One last one, inhale and exhale. Okay, so that won't work. Can you see that? That's no awareness. And you create problem. If you create problem when you exercise, the end result is injury. So we don't want that. Okay, so second stage is we're gonna be on the floor. So hands, knee to knee. And they're in line with their joint, okay, where they come from. So here we go. Like I say, some of you, the wrist, if you're hypermobile, it's really hard to do push-up because it kind of feel like a bone on the floor, right? So you can raise this up a little bit, and so your wrist a little higher than your fingertip, okay? Otherwise, roll up 2 hand towels, whatever you can find. Raise the wrist area up a little bit, okay? So now, I'm right there. So you can see my back straight, close the rib cage, engage your abdominal. You're gonna imagine there's a glass, very expensive wine, right on your sacrum, that triangle bone. We're not gonna spill it, okay? So first response, say, okay, I'll stabilize the pelvis. Don't drop your head. Everything's there, shoulders down, so your neck is very long. On the exhale, you extend the right leg straight, tuck your toes under so you reach out the heel, like we did earlier. Now I'm balanced on the 3 parts, hands, and 1 leg. Do not move your pelvis, don't drop your head, don't hyperextend the elbow. Now you bend your knee, flex the hip, come back, so the other leg balance. And return 3 times. Exhale, 1, reach the heel back, and reach the heel back. Inhale, left leg, control the pelvis with the first responder. 3rd time, slow. Exhale, and inhale, and inhale. We're gonna do 3 more with the left leg leading. Okay, shoulder down, double check, close the rib cage, and engage your abdominal. Exhale, reach out the heel. Stabilize yourself. See, I can move my other leg, not disturbing the pelvis or your neck. Inhale, exhale. Exhales here, right, reach the heel back, shoulder down. Inhales, return. Last one. Exhale. And the inhale comes in. Okay. Slow is so important and it's very powerful. So don't rush. Fast, the mind is somewhere else. Slow, you can collect everything, connect mind, body together is one, okay? If you separate, that's when we get in trouble, right? Never separate them. Okay, so engage your abdomen now. We're going to do the 3rd stage. We're going to learn where the scapula really had to be. So the shoulder girdle has to be so strong. So you're going to do, when they're in the 4th, you're going to do retract. So you wake up the rhomboid, neutral, protract, pike minor, serratus anterior. It goes inside the scapula too. So we're going to do a little bit scapular movement, okay, without dropping your pelvis. Okay, here we go. So that glass of wine still there, okay? So nice and supported torso. We'll go right to the push-up, which you just find. Reach the heel back a little bit. Reach the heel back a little bit. Hollow your tummy so you find the first responder. Here we go. Inhale, reach right to scapula. Neutral. Exhale, push. And neutral. retract, neutral, protract, neutral. Looks like nothing, right? But nothing is good because it's really, really focused on recruit the right muscle. Now, this is not, if you want to make people think you're doing something good, that looks horrible. And you're going to, I don't want to demonstrate too many times, you're going to hurt your back. So now that's how you strength, okay? Because the push-up is not the scapula. Everything had to stabilize in the right place. You work on, right? It's the best core strengthening is doing the push-up. So, but you have to do it right, okay? So those are 3 stages. Now we're gonna bring that to do a real push-up now, right? So the first one, elbow side, I'm only gonna do 3 times, and then hugging 3 times. So pec major, triceps, challenge your mind-body connection. That very expensive wine still there. Don't spill a drop. Okay, here we go. You ready? Shoulders down. We're gonna do a very, very slow push-up. Okay, not fast. Shoulders down. Extend right leg. Establish so you reach the heels out. So you stretch your Achilles. Okay, so you ready? Don't hyperextend the elbow, right? Don't hyperextend. So inhale slowly. You lower the whole body down. Try not to drop your head. So as you go down, you bring the head in line. Exhale, hold your tummy, push down to go up. Tummy goes up. Inhale again. Load, so. Keep your head in line. Exhale, as you push down, hollow your navel toward the spine. You float up. Last one, inhale. And exhale. I'm going to do a wrong one for you. Okay, inhale. And exhale. Okay, of course, that's a really, really bad. I'm exaggerating a little bit. So you cannot lose this area because it's the heaviest area. So you can feel the pelvis, the whole body, like an elevator, go up and go down, right? Without disturbing the people in the elevator. That right now is just a glass of wine. Okay, last part today, triceps push-ups, 3 times as slow as you can. Feel the feedback. If your body's screaming at you, that's me. You need to do a little bit more, but with, right, a good form. Okay. Ready? Shoulders down. Extend, reach out the heel. You ready? Close that rib cage too. Elbow point toward my ankle. Okay, so you both elbow. Inhale, bring your chin in, close the rib cage, just enough. You don't need to kiss the ground. Exhale, slowly push down, hollow your tummy comes up. Again, inhale, don't drop your head with it. So here we go, really focus. Reach the heel back, first responder. Keep your head as much as you can in line with the spine. Exhale, push down to go up. Last one again, inhale, slow. See where my shoulder is? I'm going to keep checking where my head should be. And exhale, push. All the way, coming back, stretch out. So keep your hands there. Slide the scapula down. Open up the range of motion in the shoulder joint. You get a nice release here. One more breath. Then you bend your elbow right here, top your head down. We call this shoulder stretching Pilates in yoga style what? Child posture. Inhale, feel the lungs in the front. Exhale, hollow your tummy, navel to the spine, open that lower back a little more. Inhale. Exhale, the second one, we're going to come up. Of course, you can stay there for 3 more. It doesn't matter. I'm just showing you, and you can add 1 or 2 more, not 10 more. Because there are other things you probably want to do for the rest of the day, right? So, listen to your body. So what we're trying to do is, what I'm trying to do is really teaching everything with a right understanding the body, all the muscle that's involved. It's never the wishful thinking anymore. It's never the number. Okay, number Number is not important for age, for how many push-ups, how many miles. No, it's all about how you do it right, okay? Because you want to get a result, which is how you benefit for yourself, okay? Take good care. I'll see you next week. And the end screen will be proper posture. I show that all the time because we don't have that, okay? So here we go. I'll sit better. Thank you so much. Join me. My books will be out soon. It's called One Body, One Life with In Control. Has like 18 other video, which if you on my YouTube, you see there are 18 of them. It's not published because it coincides with the book, okay? So you will see when the book comes out. Take good care. Thank you.